Have you ever tried making swallow that's both healthy and incredibly smooth without using potash or any flour? Today, I'm showing you how to turn unripe plantain and yam into a smooth, stretchy and tasty swallow that is 100% natural and so easy to make. Let's get cooking. Alright, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Like I've told you in the introduction, I'm using yam. This yam is new. And the plantain also I bought together. You can see the plantain look rough. It was the way I packaged them when I bought it yesterday. So let's go and wash. Then after washing, I'm back with the plantain. I've already washed the yam, as you can see. So I will peel. Some people use the back with the plantain, especially the way it looks now. I don't like using the back. The peel of the plantain. You can cut it and use it like that. But for me, I'm using just the plantain inside. This is optional anyway. It depends on what you like. This unripe plantain and yam swallow isn't just smooth and tasty. It is packed with fiber, vitamins and natural energy that help control blood sugar and support healthy digestion. It's a perfect choice if you want a healthy swallow that still feels like a treat. So after peeling the plantain, it's time for me to cut the yam. I'm not going to use the entire yam, just use part of it. This yam is a new one, and some yams, especially new ones, tend to change color when exposed to air. To prevent that, simply soak the cut pieces in water immediately. So it's time to cut the yam into tiny chunks so that my blender can blend it smoothly. Well, for this recipe, you need a very strong blender that can blend everything to paste. Just like I cut the yam, I will also cut the plantain. Bringing everything together, I will wash thoroughly. So I'll go and wash it in the sink behind the camera. And look at it, everything looks nice now. It's time for me to blend. I'll pour a little at a time into my blender because I don't want it to be stocked off. It won't blend everything at once. So I'll just blend half of it, add a little water. This is a new yam, it doesn't need much water. So just to level and then blend. So I'll turn the blended paste. Can you see? It looks very smooth. This blender is very strong. I repeated the same process for the next batch. And here I have it. Take note that yours should be as thick as this by the time you finish blending. So now on the fire, I will cook it over low heat. Please, the heat must be low, or else it will form lumps that you will not be able to control. So stir it continuously as you see me do until it becomes very thick. as I'm stirring this to get that smooth lump-free texture. I remember the first time I tried making this, it didn't come out right. But once I figured out the right balance, it became one of my favorite healthy swallow. So don't put too much water and make sure you stir continuously after you have poured it into the pot on the fire. So if you are enjoying this recipe so far, please hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss more delicious and healthy recipes like this one. Let's finish this up together. All right, I think it's enough now. So I'll just scoop out all the ones that is littering around on the pot and add a little water. You can use either cold water, although it is better to use hot water, just a little water so that you have a very good swallow. Cover it and allow to simmer for about 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, here we have our swallow. Oh my God. Yes. If you want to prepare pounded yam without pounding, use the same style. The only thing is that you will exclude the plantain. If you want me to do a video around that, let me know in the comment below. Oh, I thought it's a lump. It isn't. So our swallow is ready. Can you see? Look very smooth. So I will pack it and get ready for delicious eating. Can you see? It's very fine. And here I have it. Thanks for watching. Try this recipe and tell me how yours turn out in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't for more simple, healthy Nigerian dishes.